This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by turning on face grouping so Google Photos can detect faces in your library. Open the app, sign in, then tap Settings and enable Group Similar Faces. This lets the system cluster faces automatically. You should also confirm backup is active so uploads include facial data, otherwise new photos won't be scanned. Once done, give the app time to process. Initial scanning runs in the background and creates face groups you'll name in the next steps. Now you review the face groups and assign names so searching becomes fast and reliable. In People, tap a face tile, choose Add a Name, and type the person's name. Google Photos learns this to improve suggestions. If duplicates appear, use Merge to combine groups or Delete to remove false positives. Once done, check unconfirmed suggestions and confirm matches. This refines accuracy. Make sure to periodically review new groups so future automatic tagging is more consistent across devices. To finalize, tune privacy and sharing. Open Settings, check Group Similar Faces, and configure partner sharing if you want automated sharing with specific people. If recognition is wrong, you can delete a face model or turn off face grouping and retrain by re-enabling it. That resets groupings. Once done, try clearing app cache or force a resync if matches still fail. If problems persist, make sure backup's completed and wait. Reindexing large libraries can take hours to fully stabilize.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.